Hey guys, my name is Dr Narine. I'm an internal medicine specialist and board certified critical care specialist, and I'm here today at M. Rockland in the treatment room where we have the Cynosure Potenza, and we're going to talk a little bit about it today so that you guys understand how it works and the benefits it can give our patients. The Potenza offers a variety of tips which enhance treatment efficiency and efficacy. So the insulated needle tips are excellent for deep tissue transmission of energy, while the semi-insulated tips, also called tiger tips, deliver the energy at multiple levels simultaneously. So this shortens the treatment because you're able to deliver multiple levels and multiple intensities of energy in one pass. So that creates a faster service for the patient by increasing the coverage with every needle insertion. The fusion tip is my favorite because it can be used with topical treatments such as exosomes and PRP. And the 21 insulated tips have an effective treatment area that pushes the topical treatments through down to the skin, ranging from 0.5 millimeters, which is the depth I use for the forehead, and over the cheekbones and chin, all the way down to 2.5, which is where I would use for lateral cheeks and help to really reach deeper tissues to stimulate volume loss and collagen production where there's volume loss. The amazing thing with the fusion tip is that it has this dual chamber, that it's a dual air chamber that captures and releases air and forces the topical into the skin. And this really has been shown in studies that it gives a much superior penetration of the topicals. It drives the topical treatment 67% deeper into the skin, which really improves the efficacy of exosomes and for PRP. Exosome treatments, though, I don't recommend using the radiofrequency energy as it does heat the skin, and that skin, if it doesn't cool off enough when the exosomes are being delivered, it can denature the peptides and the nucleic acids. So I like that I have the ultimate control. Often I will do some RF on the forehead and tightening under the jaw and give the exosome treatments where they're needed for the volume loss. So I hope that gives you a little bit of an insight into our favorite tool here for microneedling, and it's great to be with you today. I'm Dr. Narine. Take care.